In this session, we are going to learn how to create a parent class, what is a subclass or child class, and how do we override the method. It is simple. So let's think about you work in a company and that company has decided to create a new company. So all the people working over there and all the functions will be same for the new company that they have created. So for that, we are going to create a new class called new company, and we wanted to have all of these functionalities and members and everything. So that's the reason we are going to use a keyword called extend, and after that provide the company name that we wanted to inherit all the properties from it. So for now we are going to leave this new company an empty one, so we have all the properties of this company. So now what we wanted to do is that we wanted to access all of these properties. How we can do that? For that we are going to create a new object, and now we wanted to give the new value for it. We are going to name this company company 3, and in over here we are going to provide a new company, a class that we have created over here. And now we wanted to change the name and provide the value for it. So in over here, we are going to change the name from John to Sam and provide the ID number 18 and provide the company number 3 right over here. So we'll change the company 3 right over here. If I hit run over here, as you can see, we have successfully updated the value. If you notice something odd, we don't have any code written in this company because all the properties from the company 1, which is a parent company, and this is a child company. So all the properties has been inherited by this new company, the class that we have created. So what is method overriding then? We have this function and we wanted to change this function right over here. So for that, we are going to copy paste this entire function is working in new company right now. What we have done is that we have changed this function a bit of different over here. As you can see over here, we have this line over here, and we have changed a bit of a function over here. To access this function, for that we are going to call this function dot work and end the statement again with a semicolon. Now if I hit run, so as you see, we have successfully override the function that we have from the parent company. We can use the annotation called override over here. You can skip it. It doesn't necessarily matter if you skip it or not. We wanted to have this original method. So we wanted to revert back the method that we have override over here. So how we can do that? For that, we are going to use a super keyword over here, and after that use the method name that we have overridden. So we wanted to revert it back to the original form. So for that, we are going to use the method name along with parenthesis and end the statement again with a semicolon. So now if I hit run over here, as you see, we have successfully got the original method which has been placed on the parent class, which is right over here. So in later on form, we are getting the value of the method that we have overridden. So this is how you basically inherit all the properties of a class. How do you override a method? How do we revert back to the original inherited method that we have? So this is basically how you provide the value. This is basically how you use the inheritance in order to be a favorable thing whenever you're writing code.